Copy trading on BingX allows users to replicate the trades of experienced traders automatically. Here's how you can start. Log into your BingX account. Access the BingX app or website and log in. Ensure your account is funded with sufficient cryptocurrency or fiat for trading. Navigate to the Copy Trading section. On the homepage or menu, click on Copy Trading. Browse the list of professional traders available for copying. Choose a trader to copy. Review the trader profiles, which displays performance metrics such as ROI, total profit, and followers. Check detailed stats, including risk level, trading history, and preferred strategies. Set copy trading parameters. Click Copy on the chosen trader's profile. Specify amount to allocate for copying trades. Risk management settings such as stop loss, take profit, or maximum investment per trade. Confirm and start copying. Review your settings and confirm. BingX will automatically replicate the trader's future trades in your account. Monitor your copy trades. Track your copy trades under the Copy Trading or Orders tab. You can adjust settings or stop copying anytime.